Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at this Tyco Stunt Psycho. It's an older model. Let's see here. It says 2008 Mattel Incorporated. It's 49 megahertz. It takes 6 AA batteries. The controller's like a tank setup. You press both of them to go forward, or both to go back, or it can spin on the spot. Has this metal antenna. This controller takes 2 AA batteries. Interesting that there's no antenna on this. So there are 2 LED headlights in here, and these spring back, so when it flips over you can drive, and these will bounce up and down. And I don't know what else I can say about that. So it's a neat little design. It has, has its charm and things that you can do with it, and I'll demonstrate that in a running video. So as always, please like and subscribe.